In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Bitcoin Cash to peso using the Coins.ph app. As you can see, I only have 3 pesos and 43 cents. And now let's navigate to Bitcoin Cash tab. There I have 0.005 BCH, or that's equivalent to 548,000 Satoshi of Bitcoin Cash. We are going to convert that, so let's just click on the All tab to show the convert button. If you want to earn a bit while having fun, well, feel free to smash the bell button because I make videos about money-making apps and sites for free.
Oh, let me out with a bright smile on